All right, in this video, we're going to be talking about workspaces. So I'm already in Photoshop and I already have a file open that we had open in the previous video. And so I'm going to go right to Window and we're going to go to Workspaces. Now it just says Workspace. So there's a bunch of different options for you. And we have Essentials, which is the default workspace. We have 3D, motion, painting, photography, graphic and web. And then you can reset the background that you have. You can create a new background. You can delete the background. We can lock the workspace. So let's look at 3D. Okay. We got motion. And I kind of like to look at just kind of the defaults that they have. It's kind of a fun thing. And then they have painting, photography, and you can see the different panels that they use. And then graphic design and web design. Okay. So I hit done, and then you can see kind of how they have everything set up. And then you can replicate this and make your own workspace. Because what I like to do is I'll use the essentials. Okay, so I'll use like this default, and then I'll go in and I'll adjust and save my own workspace so that I don't have to kind of utilize what they have. I can do my own thing and have fun with it. So do that. Have fun with it. Don't be worried about it, you know, that kind of thing. But that's Workspaces. There's not much to it. I'll show you how to, we can move stuff around. So let me mess this up. I'll just tie these two together, make it confusing. See if I can actually put it on the panel. I'll move it over here. And then if I just go to Window and Workspace, we can reset this. Okay, the other thing we can do is we can delete. So if I make a new workspace, let's call this Workspace, New Workspace, please delete. That way it's easy to remember what I'm doing. Workspace, New Workspace, please delete. So if I delete, wait, I just did new, sorry. Go to Window, go to Workspace, and delete the workspace. Let's see. Okay, well, let me do it because I have it activated. But if I go to Essentials and then do that, now we can see it in action. So delete Workspace, New Workspace, please delete. Hit delete. Yes. And now it's deleted. Okay. And I've saved it just in case. I had Command S to save. And that, my friends, is Workspace. So we have Essentials, which is the default. We have 3D, we have motion, painting, photography, and graphic and web design. And then you can build your own off of those 6 templates. So I recommend that. You can also lock the workspace. So I can't move anything. It's locked into place. So you can't do anything with it in terms of moving the panels. Okay, then I can unlock the workspace and then I can move them freely. I like to be able to move them freely. The other thing I recommend with Photoshop is to have 2 monitors, possibly 3, so you can move panels around and have, you know, your main content is like in your middle monitor, and then your panels is on the left and your layers are on the right. So you have a lot of space to work. Okay, but it's entirely up to you, obviously. So that's Workspaces. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.